I've just watched Critters the first time in nearly 25 years. How does it hold up? Honestly, I thought that was a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. It's a very old, cheesy 80s horror movie. It's obviously got influences from Gremlins, but it was actually written before Gremlins came out. And it was made after Gremlins came out. So obviously it falls a bit short on Gremlins' quality, but I actually think it's a really funny, fast-paced action horror comedy. I mean, it's not going to change the world, like, you know, there's no film is going to change the world for that matter. But in retrospect, it's just a B-movie lot of fun. It's like I said, it goes at a very good pace. It's got some very funny moments, including a very funny scene in the bar. I loved it, and I really enjoyed it. It took me back to my childhood. One of the first horror movies I ever watched was Critters, along with Ghost House, which we don't talk about that. Not Ghost House, sorry, Clown House. We can't talk about that one. Along with it and Aliens and Nightmare on Elm Street and House and Critters. And Critters, like I said, was one of the very first I watched, and I loved it as a kid. I'm going to rewatch all the Critters movies, I think, because they're coming out on Blu-ray in the States, and I really want them. Really, really want them. But I want to make sure that 2, 3, and 4 is just as good to worth buying the purchase. If not, I'll have to wait for the first one to come out. So I'm going to watch the rest of the Critters movies, and I shall put my views on them. So Critters 1 is about an 8.5 out of 10. It's a very good movie, one I'd watch again, and I want to recommend even now, even though it's a bit cheesy. So yeah, Critters 1, about 8.5 out of 10, very entertaining, worth a watch, and yeah, that's my review of part 1. Thank you very much.